on, everyone? My name is Kenneth Beard here with Stock Indices, where I go over economic indicators and my thoughts of what's going to happen in the stock market in the future. So, hopping straight into this video. I hope you guys are having a good Wednesday. Didn't make a video yesterday or Monday. I've been working on some things for Stock Indices actually, and it will be a very good educational service for you all to be able to get your hands on some of this and more in-depth stock option knowledge. So that's the reason why I've been absent, but I'm back here today with another overall market breakdown. So I'm excited to hop straight into this video. Give me 1 second. So today is Wednesday, right? But yesterday, Tuesday, we had a pretty hard day yesterday in the overall markets. The overall market, I'm going to go over the economic indicators for yesterday. Yeah, retail sales dropping significantly to negative 1.1% from 0.7%. We had retail sales ex auto, so that's for vehicles. We had those drop significantly as well to negative 0.4%. Yeah, industrial production go up, so that's a good thing. We had that go up to 0.9%. We had capacity utilization. Capacity utilization went up just about, and the home builders went down by about 5 points. And then we had federal Jerome Powell. So that news really had, not news, but this day with these economic indicators, what it was really forecasting to us was, it was forecasting that really the production and the industrial production in America was going up. So it is obviously going up here with retail sales, not retail sales, but with industrial production going up, capacity utilization going up just quite a little bit, and the business inventory going up. But the thing that is kind of making the market flip-flop here is that there is a bottleneck of supply. There's not a lot of supply here in these markets, which is kind of not feeding into the amount of production that's happening. So it's like an excessive amount of supply, but not enough demand for the products that's being created. And the effect it had on the market yesterday was quite crucial. We had a huge sell-off, and most of the markets did sell off yesterday. We go and look at, let's just go to the daily chart. If we go and look at yesterday, we had a huge wick down, and the market actually did pull back up, and it looks like it's a hammer. And it's not a green hammer, it's a red hammer. So it's still closed lower, but you see the lows of this win. Then RUT yesterday, and these big ranges engulfing candles towards the downside. Today it looks like it's putting in a bottom. Looks like it could potentially reverse, but with there not being a clear level of support down here, like anytime soon, it could easily continue to go down. Excuse me. It could easily continue to go down to this support level here. So RUT's been looking weak for a minute. Qs also had a red day yesterday, where we have kind of a hammer look, but not quite a hammer. It pulled down, came back up close here. So you see the kind of the resemblance in the Qs and the SPX. How it looks like the sellers want to push it down, but demand did come back in, holding it to a reasonable price level. Jones here also looked like we had made highs before yesterday, and those news economic indicators came out and pushed us all the way down here to the 9-day moving average. It did hold up still, Market pushed all the way down to the 21 and was brought back up, right under the open. Today looks like it's putting in a bottoming pattern here, like most stocks on the 4 hour, bouncing off the 100, not the 180 day, but the bouncing off the 70 day. So yeah, for me looking at this, it looks like we could potentially recover today. So wanna see how dominant the buyers are today in the market, how volatile the buyers are, and also I'm looking at to see, okay, well, I'm looking at to see, well, okay, is VIX going to stay below this 20 area? Because if VIX starts to get back up in these high 19s, yesterday you can see it didn't even get to 20, it got to 19.5, and that was quite destructive in the market, seeing that pullback, not right before we had this big red candle followed right after, but we don't want to see something like that again. So I'll probably wait until the market gets, until volatility gets maybe to 17. Once volatility gets like 17, then I will look to get back in some bullish trades. But if volatility spikes back up to 20, anything like that, then I'm playing calls the rest of the week. But I'm selling the opposite side of calls. So when I'm saying playing calls, I mean that I'm going to go in there and sell me some calls, bring in some premium, making a bearish effect on my assumption. But with that being said here, volatility still a little bit high on the high end compared to recent levels. We were staying below 16 for a long time, staying below 17. You want to see these levels always stay below 20. Whenever these levels get above 20, that is going to signify some bearishness. So we're going to put this mark right here. So we want volatility always to be under 20. We are under 20, but after seeing that huge spike yesterday to the 19s, we just want to make sure, okay, that it can sustain staying at these lower levels before just hopping in and having it explode right back on us. So not trying to predict anything, just waiting for extra confirmation. So going and looking at my favorite stock, we're going to look at Google here. Google, like I said, was on that cup and handle looking pattern, which is actually starting to form out well. But yesterday, of course, with the market selling off pretty hard, Google is holding right now right above that 21, but you can see yesterday we had a red day which pushed down to the 21-day moving average. But right now, it looks like it's being stuffed right at that 70-day, right at that 21-day moving average on the daily chart. Go here and look at the 4-hour chart, bounce right off that 70-day. So we can continue to bounce here and continue to go up towards new highs. We can see it's one more resistance level we got up here at about 2780. We can get through that, but then we can potentially make it back towards all-time highs for Google, which would look really nice and could make us a lot of money if we play the cards correctly. So those are all the plays for today. That is everything from yesterday that I looked at to today. If you guys enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, subscribe. Like I said, I'm working on some things right now for Stock Indices to really up the ante on what it is that I'm presenting to you all and the education that I'm feeding to you all. And like I said, if there's any questions about option videos that you all may have, that you all want to see, leave a comment about it, and I will for sure get to your comment and make a video. So with that being said, I'm going to end this video. If you enjoyed it, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one. Thank you.